Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by lifting the F150 and removing the front wheel on the side you'll work. Spray penetrating oil on both upper and lower link nuts and let it soak a few minutes. This prevents rounded fasteners. Use an 18mm or 21mm wrench to hold the stud and a socket to break the nut loose. If it won't budge, use a short breaker bar for controlled leverage. Once the nut spins, back it off a few turns but don't remove it yet. Now, hold the sway bar steady so it doesn't rotate while you finish loosening the nuts. Remove the upper nut first and then the lower nut. The link will drop free. Compare the old link to the new one to confirm length and stud orientation, then transfer any bushings or washers in the correct order. If the sway bar mount binds, use a small pry bar to shift the bar and free the link. Make sure you keep parts in sequence so reassembly matches factory geometry. Install the new sway bar link the same way the old one came out, making sure bushings and washers sit flush. Hand thread both nuts first so the stud aligns, then use a torque wrench and tighten to the Ford F150 specified torque. This prevents overcompression of the bushing. Once done, lower the truck, torque the wheel lug nuts, and take a short test drive. If you hear clunks, recheck torque and bushing seating. Sometimes one nut needs slight
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.